Ooh Whee family. How y'all doing? Listen, today's episode from Pan to the Plate on Oooo Whee TV, we're gonna do a pan fried cabbage. We always talk about pan fried or fried green tomatoes. Chef doing pan fried cabbage just as a snack. And I made a barbecue cream sauce with some sweet baby rays that was in the refrigerator, some heavy cream. Then I seasoned it with some Oooo Whee. For real. Y'all, I know you didn't. Yeah, that's what I did. Barbecue cream sauce with sweet baby rays, some heavy cream, and some of that Oooo Whee. Yeah, unbelievable. You know what I mean? So, because you had these things in your refrigerator. You open it, you don't know what to do with it. But I got a solution for you. And here's a solution. Go to the website, ooweetv.com. That's 4 O's, WHEETEVE.com. And then scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see a little section right at the bottom. Send me a text. Send me a text. In the text, put special. Because now I know you want me to help you come up with a special for dinner, for the family, for yourself, So do that for me. And I'm going to respond, and I'm going to send you something. I'm going to send you a recipe or send you a little menu. But you got to tell me what's in your refrigerator, what you're trying to get rid of. So remember, ooweetv.com. All right, ooweetv.com. So here we go. Chef love that Oooo Whee butter. Keep moving that Oooo Whee butter around. You see that? That's that cabbage. Fried cabbage. Fried cabbage, family. Listen. Fried cabbage. With that barbecue cream dip. Ain't nothing to play with. Ain't nothing to play with, family. And I got little vegetables, just to garnish. Raw vegetables. We're just gonna leave them raw. We'll season them up. And just garnish on top, little garnish of the vegetables. That's all. We'll keep them, you know. Move that around, family. And while that's in the pan cooking, we're just gonna mix that. Just a little color, something nice and bright on the plate. Because you're gonna have that nice fried cabbage going on the plate. And after you do that with the fried cabbage, hit it with the vegetables right on top. A couple dollops of your barbecue cream sauce, family. You can sit down, get you a fork, get you a knife. Hold on. Say, Chef, why you talking? Yeah. 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 Get you a fork, a knife, plate him, sit down. That's your healthy snack. It's a healthy snack. It ain't that healthy. Yes, it is. Because you know what's in it. It's cabbage. Use a little cornmeal. If you don't have any cornmeal, you say, well, I got some breadcrumbs. You can use your breadcrumbs. If you got some panko, you can use your panko. But crush up your panko, though. Don't leave it all coarsey. Get it kind of fine. All right? So as you're doing that, look at that. You see that? Look at that. Real simple. Quick, simple, nice, garnish for you to sit down, enjoy something different, something real different. You hear that? Pan talking to me, I like that. That's that Oooo Whee. When that pan talking to you, then you gonna hit it. I always I season everything. But what I do next is I put it in the pan. I let it cook on that side. Once I flip it over, then I season it. So after I season it, then I flip it back over, season it, and plate it, and it's ready to go. You know what I mean? So family, that's it. You see that? Got that nice right there. Ooh wee. So here's that sauce I told y'all about. That barbecue cream sauce. So a little barbecue right there. Take a little barbecue. Just put a little dollop in the middle. You know. We're going to take that. We're not even going to flip it back over. We're going to go straight from the pan to the plate. Just like that. Cut that right there. Put a little more of that barbecue cream on there. Like that. Just like that. You just cut that off. You say, well, chef, you got all that in the pan. I know. That's for me. Little dollop on top. Move it around. Look at that. Family. Ooh wee. Listen. You see that? Something you can do. Real simple, real quick. At home. Take your cabbage. Cut your cabbage. Nice little, almost like a steak. You know, about 1 inch, 2 inch thickness. Ooh wee butter. Your oil. But go to the website, oowweetv.com. And you can get everything on the website. All right? Look at that. You see that? And I got one more garnish for you. No, I don't. Oooo Whee TV. Right here.
Swinton Images Media Group.